Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can invest on Revolut. Alright, so investing on Revolut involves, first of all, getting started. So you need to have a Revolut account. You need to go and make sure that you are verified, and then this will give you a full suite of investing options. You can trade thousands of stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. They're all commission free up to your plan's limit, and with fractional shares from just $1. You can utilize the in-app educational courses and set personalized price alerts to build your investment knowledge and also make better informed decisions. The next thing over here is that you need to know it is a all-in-one solution. So this means you can manage your investments, banking, and crypto seamlessly within the single app interface. It also has diverse asset classes, so you can access more than 230 crypto tokens, global stocks, ETFs, and precious metals, which is available 24/7. They also have investor support, so they have a transparent fee structure with 24/7 customer support via their in-app chat for any questions you have. If you are ready to invest, simply top up your Revolut balance, select your asset, and start building your financial future right now, today with Revolut.